To redeem Piggy codes, start by launching the game on your preferred device and navigate to the main menu. From there, find and click on the eCodes button, which will prompt a code input box to appear on the screen. To avoid errors, it's recommended to copy and paste the redemption code into the input box. Once the code is entered, click the Enter button to redeem it and claim your reward. If you encounter an invalid code error, double-check that the code is entered correctly, as some codes are case-sensitive. It's also important to note that Piggy codes can only be redeemed once. After redemption, rewards are typically received almost instantaneously, usually within 10 minutes. However, be aware that Piggy codes do come with an expiration date, after which they can no longer be redeemed. By following these steps, redeeming Piggy codes should be a straightforward process.